Behind every crispy, golden piece of fried chicken lies a world of cutting-edge technology and precision.
Welcome to the cutting-edge world of fried chicken production, where automation drives perfection. Here, millions of pieces of fried chicken are produced daily with precise, automated processes. Let's take you inside to see how this state-of-the-art facility transforms fresh ingredients into the crispy chicken you know and love. Every machine here works in harmony to ensure that the process is fast, efficient, and flawless.
With no room for error, every automated system is designed to meet the highest standards of safety and hygiene.
Automation not only speeds up production, but ensures every piece of chicken is perfectly cooked and uniformly coated.
Let's dive deeper into the process, starting with the arrival of fresh chicken and ingredients.
From farm to fried chicken factory, the journey begins with the best ingredients, sourced globally and brought here to our automated facility.
Fresh chicken and spices arrive daily, ready for inspection and processing. Automated quality control checks verify the freshness of each batch before it enters production.
Sensors automatically adjust temperature and humidity to maintain perfect conditions for each ingredient.
The chicken is immediately stored in controlled refrigeration units, keeping it fresh until it's ready for processing.
Spices and flour are also automatically weighed, mixed, and stored for the coating process.
Once approved, the ingredients are transported via conveyor belts to the next station for marination. Every step of the way, automation ensures that the freshest ingredients are handled with the utmost care. Once the chicken is inspected and approved, it moves to the automated cutting station.
The cutting machines are programmed for precision, ensuring uniformity across every piece.
Automated sensors track the weight and size of each piece, ensuring they meet specifications.
Each chicken piece is treated exactly the same, ensuring uniform cooking and coating in the next steps.
Once cut, the chicken is automatically moved into the next section for marination.
With automated cutting, human error is minimized, guaranteeing that each piece of chicken is perfectly prepped.
The chicken is now ready to absorb the flavorful spices that will define its taste. Now that the chicken is prepped, the automation continues in the marination and seasoning stages. In the marination process, automation ensures every chicken piece is perfectly seasoned.
Each piece is evenly coated with our signature marinade, designed to enhance the chicken's flavor and tenderness.
Time and temperature are precisely controlled through automated systems, optimizing the marination process. The chicken sits in the marinade for exactly the right amount of time, ensuring full flavor infusion. Automated mixers ensure that the marinade is distributed evenly across every chicken piece.
Once marinated, the chicken is automatically moved to the coating area.
Our automated system keeps the chicken in optimal conditions, ensuring perfect texture and flavor.
The marinated chicken is now ready to be coated in our signature breading mix.
From here, the chicken will be perfectly coated and ready for the fryer. The batter is applied evenly, and the chicken is then rolled in breadcrumbs to create that crispy coating. Next, the chicken is coated using a fully automated system that ensures a crispy exterior every time. Automated rollers ensure that the batter sticks perfectly, with no gaps or inconsistencies. Advanced technology ensures that every piece of chicken is coated uniformly, with just the right amount of breading. The batter and breadcrumbs are specially mixed by automated systems to maintain consistency.
This automated process guarantees that each piece of chicken is perfectly coated and ready to be fried.
Once coated, the chicken is moved seamlessly to the fryer via a fully automated conveyor belt. The next step in our automated system is the frying process, where the chicken takes on its signature golden, crispy texture. Frying time is crucial, and our automated fryers maintain perfect oil temperatures to guarantee crispy chicken every time.
Now, the chicken enters the automated frying system, where the magic happens.
The chicken is fried at high temperatures, ensuring the outside becomes crispy while locking in moisture inside.
Done in large, continuous cycles, with the system removing the chicken once it's perfectly cooked. The temperature of the oil is automatically adjusted based on the amount of chicken being fried, ensuring consistency.
Automated fryers ensure that even large batches of chicken cook at the same high standard.
Sensors in the fryer monitor the color and texture of the chicken in real time, ensuring it's perfectly golden and crispy.
Once fried, the chicken is automatically removed from the fryer and moved to the draining station for the next phase.
Once fried, the chicken needs to be drained of excess oil to maintain its crispy texture. The automated draining system uses high-speed fans and air jets to speed up the process. This process is fully automated, with sensors ensuring that no chicken is left in the draining phase too long.
As the chicken moves through the draining station, automated systems adjust air pressure for optimal oil removal.
The chicken is perfectly drained, retaining its crispiness and texture without any excess grease.
Robotic arms gently transport the chicken to the cooling station once it's fully drained.
The entire draining process is quick and seamless, with automation ensuring a consistent result every time.
This fully automated system ensures that every piece of fried chicken has the perfect texture, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside.
Now that the chicken is drained, it's ready to move on to the final step before packaging: cooling.
Automated systems monitor the temperature of the chicken to ensure it cools at the optimal rate.
After draining, the fried chicken needs to cool down to preserve its flavor and texture.
Air jets blow cool air over the fried chicken, quickly lowering the temperature while preserving its crispy texture.
This cooling process is done automatically, and the system ensures every piece of chicken cools evenly.
The automated cooling system tracks the chicken's temperature in real time to ensure consistent results.
Once cooled, the chicken maintains its crispness, ready to be packed and shipped.
Once cooled, the chicken maintains its crispness, ready to be packed and shipped. The cooling process doesn't take long, thanks to the speed and precision of our automated systems. Once cooled, the chicken is ready for packaging and shipping. Once fried, the chicken is automatically removed from the fryer and moved to the draining station for the next phase. Now it's time to package the chicken for delivery, and our automated system makes sure it's done quickly and accurately. Robotic arms handle each piece, ensuring it's perfectly placed inside the packaging.
The system automatically adjusts the packaging size and configuration based on the number of chicken pieces.
Automated scales weigh each package to ensure it meets the correct weight specifications.
Once packed the fried chicken, the boxes are sealed automatically, ensuring freshness and security. Barcode scanners ensure that every fried chicken box is labeled with the correct production date, batch number, and nutritional information.
The automated system ensures that the fried chicken packaging process is consistent, regardless of the number of pieces produced.
Once sealed, the fried chicken packages are sorted and prepared for the next step in the distribution process.
The automation ensures every piece of fried chicken is packaged perfectly, maintaining freshness and preventing any errors. Once packaged, the chicken is moved to the automated distribution system, where it's tracked and sent to various locations.
Every package of fried chicken is scanned and routed to the correct delivery trucks based on location. The system sorts and organizes packages, making the shipping process faster and more accurate. Automated forklifts and robots load the trucks, ensuring an efficient...
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos.